The objective of the project is ambitious because we want to turn a linear economy business model of fiber reinforced composites in a circular economy business model of this kind of artifacts. This will be addressed by the consortium that is made by Italian and Slovenian partners through three specific objectives, which are the deliver of a methodology of recover and producing new materials from secondary raw materials coming from fiber reinforced composites, and with the development of a web platform for the traceability of the secondary raw materials in order to have a story of the material and of the future products. And finally, we want to increase the environmental awareness of the program area in terms of respect of the environment, because these kind of materials are usually abandoned in the environment. So these are the three main objectives of the project.
EUSHA is the European Composite Association, and we are representing the composite industry in Europe. And we strongly believe that sustainability of composites is one of the key issues for the future of composites in Europe. Not only for the public, but also for the industry, it's very important to be able to prove that our materials are beneficial to the environment. So we have been working hard in the past few years on recycling strategies of composites in order to convince the European authorities that composites are fully recyclable, and for proving that they are also sustainable for the environment. We have been collecting data for LCA, which prove that the environmental impact of production of composites is comparable to the environmental impact of any other material, but there is a big advantage of using composites in the use phase because they are lighter than most of structural materials. So there is a lot of advantages in the use of composites, especially in the use part of the life cycle analysis. And we are about to start a big project on recycling. First of all, making a survey of all the research which has been done in the past few years in Europe, also with European fundings, collecting all those informations and provide the information to the public in order to make sure that everybody knows that composites are recyclable, and there are several methods of doing so efficiently and in a sustainable way.
Digitalni podatki nam dovoljujejo imeti hiter dostop do informacij, točne informacije, sledljivost, torej hvala internetu ali cloud aplikacijam imamo kompleten pogled na vse informacije, ki zadevajo krožni ekonomiji. Torej utegnemo slediti celemu krožnemu procesu, odkadar prevzamemo odpadek in ga prenovimo v nov izdelek.
To be an entrepreneur in Italy, in the recycling business, it's a kind of extreme experience. Very exciting and very complex. Due to the technical complexity in one side, and the other side is, you are alone with the economy problems. So without any special public support, but in fact you have a lot of problems to manage, and a lot of additional problems to manage compared of a normal production concept. So it's very exciting, it's very challenging, it's very expensive. And we have been definitely lucky to find investors and shareholders that have not only money on their priority, but also an idea. Now we are launching the new production line, and everything is look to go fast and boost. So probably within 1 or 2 years, I will be more relaxed talking about this experience.